Welcome to our guide on installing Valorant on Linux in 2025. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to get started. First, let's go over the system requirements you'll need to run Valorant smoothly on Linux. Next, we'll discuss the compatibility layers, Wine and Proton, that allow us to run Windows games on Linux. Now, let's install Wine and all necessary dependencies to prepare for the Riot client installation. Once Wine is installed, we can set up the Riot client to run Valorant. After installation, it's essential to configure Wine settings for the best performance while playing Valorant. Let's move on to installing Valorant itself and ensuring it's up to date. Sometimes, issues may arise during installation. Let's troubleshoot some common problems you may face. For the best gaming experience, here are some performance optimization tips specifically for Valorant on Linux. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has helped you install Valorant on Linux and you enjoy your gaming experience.